go. We're gonna do a little dump truck driving down the daggone road. Sorry you can't get much better view than that. Just doing everything the poor daggone redneck way. This is gonna be gear shifting and Jake braking with a load on this little son of a gun. The brakes, I just adjusted all 3 axles. 2 slack adjusters are shot. Daggone right front on the steer and the right rear on the rear tandem. Junk. Son, let me tell you. That's why this thing ain't had no freaking brakes earlier. I thought I was going to have to pull it out of shit. Freaking ain't daggone parachute. Oh, heck. I ain't going to be able to get out of here. Sorry, folks. Y'all ain't got the best daggone view. Ooh, little Jake brake hitting 3rd gear. Yeah, we're up in the high side now. Like we're sitting still. Thank goodness. Traffic's been kind of slack around here. Oh yeah. Cute little tank brake, ain't very loud. Oh, there the whole thing came on. Daggone Caterpillar. One of the heads ain't kicking in all the way. Yeah, that's all of them. This is a baby Caterpillar. You hear that? Can't find them, grind them. Ain't sure how long this little ride's gonna be. We're riding over here to that little old job site. Where I had to reveal the secret ingredient to a redneck cold start. That's where we're going. All these daggone cars look at it like roller skates. Scooping around. I'm gonna sit back, make my daggone old peanut butter sandwich here. Throw breadcrumbs out, you know, like most truck drivers. Shoot, I might not find my way back, you know, so I'm leaving breadcrumbs. So we're gonna hope, you know, the birds don't come along. Shoot, birds come along, I don't know how I'm gonna find my way back. Oh yeah. Thank you, green line. Here we go, folks. This little intersection's rough right here. Oh, Lordy, it don't look rough, but there's a lot of big trucks run up and down these roads. That's a major intersection right there. They got ruts war in it from the hot days down here. Hang on Florida. Big trucks wear ruts in this asphalt. You got an old car, you sure know it. You get caught in them daggone ruts. It's like trying to drive a rowboat. You know, we're here in this daggone hammer down lane. Daggone hammer down lane. Get her done. Yeah. Because we're going to turn left up here. If I put a blinker on around all these daggone cars, you know what they do? They freaking speed up, yes sir. I don't know how I even drove one of these daggum trucks back in the old day before they had these Jake brakes on them. Shoot, I'm so spoiled with that stuff. Electronic control. You ain't got to worry about stalling the motor. Oh, Lordy. There's some rough roads around here. Oh my goodness, this, let me tell you what, this here's one rough son of a gun of a railroad track right here. Good Lord. I don't like this railroad crossing. Oh Lordy. Fixing to cross that same set of daggum railroad tracks, just different road. This crossing ain't as rough as that other one. Bumps are hiding everywhere. Dadgum, looks like somebody's been out here street dynoing their dang old hot rod there. Little black marks back there. Oh, Lordy. You know, what's a dadgum shame? I'm an old man, but I'm doing what I wanted to do when I was a kid. I wanted to drive big trucks, operate equipment. What was I thinking? Or was I even thinking at all? Hey, rough times. Woo. These old country roads gets rough back here. It don't look rough, but let me tell you. Either that boss man saving money, he's putting goddamn old square tires on this son of a gun. Alright, now look at here. We're gonna meet us an old escape. Black top here. Ooh, get out of the way. Guess what? We fixing to arrive at the destination where I showed you what a dump truck driver sees going backwards. That's right, backwards. Well, folks, ta-da, we're there. That's where we went backwards a while ago. We're going to do it again, but except this time I'm not going to bore you with it.